Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix NFC tag reader not working on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the control center, and after that guys, make sure that if you have enabled NFC tag reader in control center. If this isn't the case guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to locate for the control center. Just simply you have to tap on that and just simply you have to scroll it down, and from here guys, you have to make sure that if NFC tag reader is showing here. If it's showing here, just simply you have to add the NFC tag reader to your control center, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And upon this regard, what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. Let me tell you that NFC tag reader is not showing in the devices, but it's working in that devices. So what you need to do guys, just simply you have to hold your tag with the camera and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply you have to remove the case, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings, scroll it down, then you have to tap on general. From here you have to tap on software update, and just simply you have to make sure that if you have updated your device, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings, then you have to tap on general, you have to scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. From here you have to reset all setting and just simply force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.